Relaxing for some time and taking some good videos, we continued our ride. All that hectic traffic had really taken a toll on us. For the last 12 hours, we had covered only 200 kilometers. We still had around 100 kilometers to reach Ha Tien. Ha Tien is a place where we'll be boarding the Super Dong ferry to reach Phu Quoc Island. The last 100 kilometer stretch was with a great view, and that too 4 bikes going in sync made the ride more joyful. Even to reach Ha Tien, we need to take some small ferries. This is the first of the 2 small ferry. Each costs around 4,000 per bike. This ferry is around 20 minutes long. After the ferry, we hit back the road. From here, the road wasn't that good. For the night, we rented a motel at Ha Tien. The motel was not that good, however, we could sleep as we were all tired. Next day, our ferry was at 11 am. The ferry team has told us to be there at the station an hour before to board our bikes. It's around 350,000 VND per bike and 180,000 per person to board the ferry. We had actually booked Super Dong ferry. Taking our bikes out of the ferry was a challenge for the staff, as they are not used to handling big bikes.
ನಿನ್ನೆಂತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ